Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can do about factorization by 16x. Next, we put this one go outside and we have number 4 with the square root of x. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about number 1 over number 2 with the square root of s dx. Because this is about number 4, this is about number 2, so I will put this number 2 go to the right. So we have number 4. This one that is about u. This one we got about u du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.